So this is the Samsung UI interface, and you'll notice that I got prompted here to upgrade. So I am going to upgrade here. If I zoom in on the upgrade, it says the latest OS version is ready. Now you notice that pop-up disappeared rather quickly, so what you can do is go into settings, navigate down to support, and if you highlight software updates here, you'll notice that my current version is 2000 and the new version is 6500. So I could do update now. So if I click on update, I could do an update now and go forward with that. So if I do update now, it's going to start downloading the update. And I have a regular 25 megabits, not the fastest, but you can see how fast it is. Now the new UI is called One UI, so I could upgrade while off. At the bottom there I could choose, but I'll just upgrade now. I could also view the details. So if I view the details here, it'll tell you all of the changes. So I do have a very old version, I would say, upgrading the web engine from version 94 to 108, ties in version 8.0, watch me later, search is better, workout tracker, smart things. So I am going to close off here and I am just going to upgrade. So the upgrade will take over 10 minutes. Your product will turn on and off and automatically. So I am going to go upgrade now. I'm going to choose upgrade now also. So it prompts me again for the details of the changes. And I am going to go upgrade now. And you can see that it gives you a countdown timer. So it shuts off the TV. You'll notice the TV is shut off now. So it's doing an upgrade. And it's gonna pop back up here and you can see it's 2%. So it took about 5 minutes to get to 73%, and it's been stuck at 73%, I want to say, for about a minute, 2 minutes now. So the meter doesn't install uniformly, like it pauses or gets stuck in areas. So it's at 97% now. So this portion does take about 8 minutes, 9 minutes. Okay, it's at the 100%, and now it's going to reboot. So reboot it, and curious to see what the UI looks like now. So let's see how long this particular reboot takes. And it moved on to the next phase here, preparing, please wait. So that just sped up, and after that particular screen, it comes up here, and it says welcome, up to date, and I'm going to navigate through this. So, click next. Seamlessly connect to a wide range of devices for easy use with the SmartThings 3D map view. Workout tracker and multi-control, okay. Next, secure, privacy, okay, get started. And what do you know, it kind of looks the same. So, yeah, I want to say it somewhat looks the same. I don't see a drastic difference, but let me navigate to the other stuff. So Samsung Plus is here still. But yeah, there's
Get the done.
live. So it has that. So this is kind of cool. It has the For You, live, and then the apps here. but for the most part it kind of looks the same. Maybe have a broader range here of the navigation for the apps. And the icons look a little bit nicer, I suppose, but nothing. So it does have this navigation here for the live TV. And some of this stuff is just on the Samsung TV Plus. And this is just Apple TV. Yeah, I wouldn't say it's too drastic a change.
And save.
Now, if I go to
stand mixer for only 50.
now if I go to settings here, see if this has changed. Looks fairly similar here. As you can see, my version is up to date now from I think 2000 to version 6500 actually, but it does say it's version 20. Account, I'll check later. Device care, game controller guide. Let's see if they detect another version, just in case. See if I have to upgrade after the upgrade, Okay, there's no new upgrades. So just to be clear, the TV that I have is actually this Samsung CU7000 58-inch TV. But that's really it, I think. That's really what I wanted to show. I don't think there's anything else. So, live events. Yeah, that's it. So, and then I guess I'll go show the apps here. Yeah, it's not too drastic a change, so just wanted to walk you through the upgrade process, and I hope this helps, and please subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.